Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollock. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, repurposing webinars. Before we go any further, I apologize for the audio of this video. My microphone broke before I shot the video and I wasn't able to get the normal high quality sound that I'd like to have for these videos, so I hope you will bear with me. For a while, attorneys and law firms have been poking around with webinars as a way to get out in front of clients, prospective and current clients, and prospective and current referral sources, and show those audiences that the attorneys and firms have knowledge in a particular area of law, and hopefully build a connection between those clients and referral sources that will eventually lead to business. With COVID-19, we've seen an explosion of attorney and law firm webinars, but all too often, those webinars are one and done. Attorneys and their law firms, they do a webinar, and that's that. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 15 different ways, at least 15 different ways, that you and your firm can repurpose your webinar content, and continue creating marketing content from that one single original webinar. So I'm gonna give you 4 ways to actually use the pure webinar. One way is to post it on YouTube, assuming, of course, that you've recorded it, which I'd recommend you do. Record the video, post it on YouTube. Second, you can rip the audio and create a podcast episode that's just the webinar. You can create a transcript and publish that online. And you can also upload your slides, your PowerPoint slides, whatever program you used, upload that to SlideShare for people to discover and to, again, see your firm's thought leadership and mastery of the topic of that webinar. So those are 4. Next, I'm gonna give you 7 ways that you could create derivative content from that webinar. First thing you could do, create blog posts, either blog posts from the actual content that your attorneys discussed, or blog posts that delve deeper into answers to questions that attendees had, but maybe based on time, you and your colleagues couldn't really go too far deep into. So just like you can do blog posts on both the content of the webinar and the questions and answers, you can do YouTube videos on that content that was discussed, as well as the questions and answers. You could do live streaming, whether it's through Facebook Live, whether it's through LinkedIn or Periscope. You can do live presentations where you delve deeper into, again, an area that you discussed or a question that was posed by an attendee. And you could always take these pieces of content and put them out on social media. You can take the quotes, nice pithy quotes, and create social media imagery right there. I think that's 8 if I am keeping my count. So now we're up to 12 ways to use this webinar content for your additional marketing. I'm gonna give you 4 more at least. I would put these 4 into the lead generation categories. So you can share the recorded version of the webinar with clients and current and prospective clients and referral sources via email in a way that is persuasive and gets them to click over. So you're not just saying, attach please find, or enclose please find a link. You actually explain why it's important that they check out the link. You can design infographics that you can use as a lead magnet for current and prospective clients and referral sources who are interested in more information about the topic you discussed in the webinar. You can create an ebook. You can create a checklist. Again, the ebook, the checklist, the infographics, these are all tools that can be used as lead generation. So again, I'm guessing, I think I've got about 16 different ways that you can repurpose this webinar content. There's certainly more that you could do, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to explain briefly how doing one webinar, half hour long, 60 minutes long, whatever it is, can easily create at least 16 different pieces of content for you and your law firm to continue marketing and to continue showing your and your firm's mastery and thought leadership concerning the areas of law that you're practicing and the areas of law you are hoping to practice for clients and referral sources.